Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, it's Sunday, and it's usually my watercolor day, but honestly, I haven't done any watercoloring. So, there's. I've done other things this week. Well, besides my complete meltdown at the hospital over the way the nurses treated my husband, it's been. Um, it's been a couple of days, and he's had some better days. His numbers are still not great, so that's a problem. But I have to judge how he feels each day. So yesterday he's been tired for the last 2 days, a little bit more tired than he's been, but he's also sleeping better. They gave him some Ambien at night, and he just conks out for the night. So when he wakes up, he does have a little bit more energy. I got to be honest, I took today off. I needed a mental health day, if you want to say it. He was tired. My middle daughter went in the morning, and he even threw her out. He was like, I want to sleep. So she left early, and my younger daughter, who goes next, he just wanted to sleep through. So I was going to go in the evening, and he was just like, I'm feeling okay. Go to sleep. And today I was feeling really tired, mentally exhausted, physically exhausted, and he was like, go to sleep. And I did. And I slept basically all day. So I'm up and raring with lots of energy tonight. I'm going to be cooking for him. He's eating a little bit better. Like, we're bringing him smoothies now, which he complains about the oxygen drying out his throat, so he can't eat anything that's scratchy. So my daughter brought him a smoothie today, a banana smoothie, and he drank the whole thing, which was more than he's been doing for weeks. So tomorrow we are definitely bringing him smoothies and with extra shots of protein. And then we called the nurse tonight, and she said he was up and walking around the room, which is really good because he doesn't walk around by himself, but apparently she alluded to the fact that he is walking around the room by himself. So this was a nurse that didn't do much speaking. She's a little Filipino thing, little tiny thing. And she didn't speak much. Like, even when we asked her questions, she just like kind of nodded her head and ran around the room doing things. I'm not 100% sure she has grasp of English language. I mean, she spoke it, but she wasn't a chit-chatter. Sometimes he gets nurses that will sit there and tell you everything about their lives, and you learn everything. Different personalities. But to be honest, I didn't mind her. He's had her for a couple of days, and she seemed to be very on the ball. Like, if something needed to be done, she was going to do it. But she wasn't going to lollygag and talk and chit-chat. She was going to do it, and she was going to leave the room, which was fine, which left my husband a lot more time to rest because every 5 minutes they come in and do something. As soon as he settles in, that's it. They come in with a breathing treatment or blood drawers or something where they're waking him up. So to have a nurse do everything that needs to be done and then just get out was kind of appreciated. So I can't complain about her at all. Every nurse has a different personality, and I think this was a better fit. Although he has a lot of nice nurses. I don't ever complain about the nursing staff. They're so overworked. And besides that one nurse Ratchet that ended up saving his butt at the end, he hasn't had too many bad ones. So now that I have all this energy, I was sent a couple things I want to show you from the Easy DIY company. And they sent me some diamond paintings that are so cute, and they're portable if I wanted to. But honestly, my dad is the diamond painter in the house. And so the first one is this little cute dog. And we had I don't know if this is a dachshund or a Rottweiler puppy or what puppy, generic, cute, adorable dog. But this one caught my eye, and they sent this one to me. It's a 30 by 30, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 colors, so it's an easy one. The colors, the drills come out here. They seem like they're sparkly and in good condition. I know some of them can be deformed and stuck to each other. It doesn't appear that it's a problem with this company at all. Their drills look pretty good. Of course, I won't know until we do the picture. And then they came with the typical, we know what these are. This is for the pen, picking up the wax for the pen, and the tray. My father's got a stack of trays this high. So I will show you this to you when it's done. And the other one is really cute, and you'll see why I chose this one. I'm really bad at filming the opening of the outside of a box. I can't wait. When I get a box, it's like Christmas. This one I think people will appreciate. And you will immediately see why I liked it. And it had all the great things that we love, art and animals. So let's get a bigger, this one's a little bit bigger. This is a 40 by 30. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 24 colors. And it comes with the drill pack, which is typical. We keep these in little, they look like little Tic Tac containers that my father buys. And they look okay. They don't look, I don't see any that are damaged, and I don't see any that are hooked together. But this company has really fantastic prices. I mean, I think this one went for $4 and this one for like $6. And you can't beat that. For 10 bucks, you're going to be sitting there and keep yourself entertained. So I'll show you this one when it's finished too. I think he's going to do this one next because he knows that I want this one for my art room. And of course, it comes with the typical kit. So I will leave the website in the description box below for you to find their website, and I'll leave the two URLs for these exact pictures. They have thousands of pictures on their site. It's really nice. The glue, it seems very sticky. I mean, I don't want to touch it too much, but it seems like it's very sticky. Doesn't look like it's gonna have, be a problem. And these are round drills. My dad likes round more than square, but really doesn't care. He'll do either one of them. Now, if you think I'm joking that my father is into diamond paintings, I want to show you something. These are some of my father's diamond paintings, and I mean just some. You could tell we're into sci-fi. This is my mantle, but I want to show you our glitter wall. This is our glitter wall. Sorry, there's an exhaust fan in here. It's my laundry room leading into my dad's apartment. But yeah, he likes diamond painting. Of course, it's 4 o'clock in the morning and I'm cooking dinner. This is what life is like here. I'm making my husband some kidney-friendly chicken marsala. It's his favorite dish that I cook. Well, it's everybody's favorite dish. It's fantastic, but I had to adapt the recipe to make it a little bit more kidney friendly. So it's not going to be as good as it was, but onions are really good for the kidney, and so is cauliflower. So I'm making right now some cauliflower rice with onions and peppers. And then later on today, I'll make him a very light, friendly marsala, chicken marsala. So I just want to get the onions fried up and the veggies fried up, so all I have to do is make the chicken before I leave for the hospital. It never ends. I've made the unfriendly type one too many times, and now I've gotten rid of all the cream, I've gotten rid of all the salt, and using garlic instead of salt in it for flavor, which is something I haven't done. I don't know why I'm chopping this by hand. I have a chopper that I use that takes me 2 seconds to chop veggies. I don't know, I just don't feel like getting it out. Thing is, he doesn't like onions, so if I make it in big pieces or bigger pieces, I can pick it out. He likes the flavor, but not the actual onion. Oh, you know what I haven't shown you? In a long time. We got some new baby fish. And these are tiger barbs. That's our old one. We moved some of the fish around. This was my old guppy tank. We put all the guppies, because we had too many of them, in a larger tank, a 40-gallon. And we got 4 his. They're fast. 4 little babies. Now that's the adult. They like to be schooling together, so you really, it's sad when you only have one. And his partner died. My angelfish decided to get into a fight with it, and the tiger barb lost. So he was alone. So we just got him some baby friends. He gets along with them really well, but he doesn't like them in his corner. Over there, where he is now, is his corner. And he doesn't like when the other fish go over there. He chases them out. And when he wants to come out, he just comes in schools with the babies. They want me to feed them. Yeah, there's a little bit of algae in there. I'm trying to get it to grow over the rocks, but it's decided to grow in the gravel, that's hair algae. It's on the... And it's pretty if you train it to be where you want it to be, so it looks like grass. But in the training stage, that's what it looks like. So I want this whole thing to be like a grassy mound. I've got it to grow a little bit, but it still has to grow out more. All right, well, thank you for spending the night with me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, wait, even before I go, Andy's pencils were going to be ready very soon. I spoke to him about a week ago, and he said only a couple weeks, like 2 weeks. So they're going to be done really soon. I know a lot of people were asking about that. Was there anything else? Oh, and the next picture we're doing for the CMW course is going to be the water lily. And I'm pretty excited about that one because I've already done it and I already know what it came out looking like. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do spoon petals so that you can get real depth. But there's a couple of pictures that have this technique in it. And if you learn how to do like the spoon petal, it correlates to a lot of different flowers, and this one has a lighting technique that is really cool. We're going to light it from the inside out instead of the outside in. So I will see you in a day or two. Take care. Bye-bye.